They perceived
Jo atzina,
that this work was done by
ka
God.
šis darbs ir padarīts ar mūsu Dieva
By
palīdzību.
God. By God.
Ar Dieva palīdzību.
Verse 15.
Skaties,
This is
15.
beautiful.
pantā. Tas tik brīnišķīgi.
So the wall was finished.
Tā mūris tika
I
pabeigts.
said the wall was finished.
Mūris tika pabeigts.
The wall was finished.
Mūris tika
I don't
pabeigts.
know what you are building,
Es nezinu, ko tu būvē,
but for anyone that can say amen,
bet visiem, kas var pateikt
I
tā,
prophesy to you,
es pravietoju tev.
you will finish it in the name of
Tu
Jesus.
to pabeigsi Jēzus vārdā.
Only 2 people believe that.
Tikai 2 cilvēki tam tic.
I know the rest of the people like to build halfway.
Es zinu, ka pārējie laikam grib tikai līdz pusē uzbūvēt.
But for another 2 people that will believe it,
Bet pārējiem 2, kas tic,
I say if you start it
es saku, ja tu
in the
saki
name of
Jēzus
Jesus,
vārdā,
you will finish
tu
it.
to pabeigsi.
This is for another 5 people.
Vēl 5 cilvēkiem
He finished it in 52 days.
52 dienās
This is a
pabeigts.
prophecy for another 5 people.
Tas ir pravietojums vēl 5
You will not
cilvēkiem.
only finish it,
Tu ne tikai to pabeigsi,
you will finish it fast in the name of
tu to
Jesus.
pabeigsi ātri Jēzus vārdā.
Mahabharya Tifahadagase. Glorify your name. There is a power that makes people finish fast.
Ir spēks, kas palīdz cilvēkiem pabeigt ātri darbus.
Let me finish it before I prophesy.
Pirms es pravietoju, es gribu pabeigt.
Mahabharya. 16.
16.
And it happened when all our enemies out of it, my
Kad to
God,
uzzināja visi mūsu ienaidnieki,
and all the nations around saw these things.
visas tautas, kas mums apkārt izbija,
Lithuania saw it.
Lietuva to ieraudzīja,
Estonia saw it.
Igaunija to
Sweden
ieraudzīja,
saw it.
Zviedrija to
Do
ieraudzīja.
you know how many people were in Dunamis?
Ziniet, cik cilvēki bija?
12 nations.
No 12 tautām.
And this
12
noise
valstīm.
went around.
Un šis troksnis
It
izplatījās.
reached to Pakistan.
Viņš aizgāja līdz Pakistānai.
When you build,
Kad tu būvē,
when you finish,
kad tu pabeidz,
they will come.
tad viņi atnāks.
Let me tell you,
Es jums gribu pateikt,
don't think they are not watching.
nedomājiet, ka viņi
They
neskatās.
are watching.
Viņi skatās.
They are only watching you. They were looking for you to fail. They want you to fail.
Viņi skatās un gaida, kad tu izgāzīsies.
I saw somebody subscribe to our church YouTube channel.
Es redzēju, ka kāds parakstījās uz mūsu YouTube kanālu.
I'm like, hey, what are you doing here?
Ko tu šeit dari?
You hate me so much that you followed our church
Tu
page.
tik ļoti mūs ienīsti un paraksties.
Because I know what those people say about me.
Es zinu, ko tie cilvēki par mani
But they
saka.
followed us on YouTube.
Bet viņi YouTube
They are watching.
seko.
They are
Viņi
watching.
skatās.
When you finish that building,
Kad tu pabeidz šo
that's
ēku,
when you will know
tad tu zinās,
that they were watching all this while.
ka viņi visu laiku skatījās.
What is Nehemiah doing? What is he doing?
Ko Nehemija dara?
When he finished,
Kad viņš pabeidza,
look at that.
skaties.
All the nations around saw these
Kad
things.
tu uzzināji visi mūsu ienaidnieki.
And that they were very deserting and in their own eyes.
Visi tautas, kas mūsu apkārt izbijās un
For
pilnīgi zaudēja drosmi.
they perceived
Jo atzina,
that this work was done by
ka
God.
šis darbs ir padarīts ar mūsu Dieva
By
palīdzību.
God. By God.
Ar Dieva palīdzību.
That your family is prosperous by God.
Ka tava ģimene uzplauks
That your
dēļ Dieva.
financial situation changed by
Ka
God.
tava finansiālā situācija mainās
That
dēļ
your
Dieva.
healing came by
Ka
God.
tava dziedināšana atnāca dēļ Dieva.
That your breakthrough came by
Ka tava
God.
izlaušanās atnāca no Dieva.
Prophesy on someone
Es
today.
pravietoju kādam
If you
šodien.
can shout amen, I say you will finish.
Ja tu vari saukt amen,
You
tad es
will
saku, ka tu
finish.
pabeigsi.
You will finish.
Tu pabeigsi.
You will finish.
Tu pabeigsi.
But let me tell you,
Bet ļaujiet man pateikt,
even when they saw that it was done by God,
pat tad, kad viņi redzēja, ka tas bija Dieva
they
darbs,
still were not happy.
viņi vienalga nebija priecīgi.
All this while,
Visu šo laiku
they were saying you were not from God.
viņi teica, ka tu neesi no Dieva.
That is why they were angry.
Tāpēc viņi bija dusmīgi.
Now they know you are of God,
Un tagad viņi zina, ka tu esi no Dieva.
and they are still angry.
Un viņi vienalga ir dusmīgi.
So the problem was never them defending God.
Tāpēc problēma nekad nebija, ka viņi aizstāvēja
The
Dievu.
problem is because
Bet dēļ tā,
a voice is rising.
ka paceļās balss,
Is the new voice of God Himself,
tā ir paša Dieva balss,
rising in a new way,
kur paceļās jaunā veidā.
and their body cannot take it.
Un viņa miesa to nevar uzņemt.
But let me tell you,
Ļaujiet man pateikt,
if they had known,
ja viņi zinātu,
they would not have crucified
viņi nebūtu situši krustā
Jesus Christ.
Jēzus Kristus.
If they had known
Ja viņi zinātu,
that the stones they were throwing at you,
ka tie akmeņi, ko viņi jums meta,
you were using it to build,
ka tu lietos tos,
they
lai
would not
būvētu,
have thrown the
ja viņi
stones.
nebūtu metuši tos akmeņus.